What's that, babe?
Babe, it's gonna be delish.
Delish?
Yeah, look.
It looks delish already. What is it?
Brie cheese.
Mmm. Alright guys, so it is like monsooning outside. That's my street. It's completely flooded. And we have to go out in that. Not looking forward to this. Alright, so we're gonna have to wait a minute. I can't even get into my truck. The water is completely flooding the street. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm not soaking my feet. I have on my Adidas. I need to get a pair of boots for the winter time in this weather because my last year ones are pretty done. So, you want to say hi? Hi. That's my little guy. My little mechanic already. He's already taken everything apart in the house. Alright, so we're just going to wait a little bit and wait for this to recede. Alright guys, here we go. Say bye. Hey, kiss. Bye bye, Bubby. Bye. Another kiss.
Hey.
What? It's right here on the table. This is crazy. Look at this. This is like a river. My street's still worst when it rains. Literally all the water from all the houses just really run down the street right by my house. It's getting cold out. She needs the glow plugs. This weather is just really crappy. So we're gonna head down to pick up Murph. What a miserable day it is. Wow. So anyway, we're gonna head down, pick up Murph. We're gonna head up to the shop. I want to restart the return fuel system today on TikTok. Also, we have to replace a brake line on one of the Proline trucks. We're trying to get the salt trucks up and running, salt and plow trucks, because that's the time of the season right now. So that's what's going on today. Really hoping to get most of the fuel system done. We'll see how that all turns out. Murph's going to come over and help me out a lot, so that will really be a big benefit. This weather is just horrendous. I feel like it's been raining for like the last 3 months. We've gotten so much rain in the last 3 months. It's just like, it must rain 4 days out of the week. It's just absolutely crazy. When's this going to stop? So it literally just took me probably 35-45 minutes to go only 4 or 5 miles. It is raining extremely hard out here. There's flooded everywhere, puddles, cars broken down. It's just a disaster. All right, Murph, we're here. Is there Apollo here? What's up, Murph, dog?
Hey.
Say hi, Bubby. Yeah. Want some Dunkin'?
Yes.
Alright. Let's do it.
Yes. 30 mile an hour.
We just soaked that lady.
Yeah, I didn't even see that.
Look at my game.
I take that power slide in my car. It's a new motor.
Take a walk back and check out Murphy's Law. Put some new tires on the back. Some 29s. Oh, the motor's definitely sitting higher.
Dude, way higher. I'm gonna have to get the engine hoist and undo the mount and maybe let it sit. Go look at that pressure pipe over there. Look at how much higher this is sitting, dude. You can never put your hand underneath that Pro Charger.
No. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh my God, it got worse. It was hitting more.
Huh?
Remember only the one time,
Yeah,
it was just a one dent. Now there's 2 dents, a slice.
I don't know if it did it at the track.
Yeah.
Dude, they are a DOT tire.
That's close.
It's huge.
That's close.
I know, look, this is even worse. You can't get your fingers in it. Is that what we use on yours? Same thing, right?
Yeah. That thing's massive. Look how the clearance there. Hopefully these tires won't be an issue, but wow.
See, Dave got
Should put us right where we want to be. Trap speed. We're good. This rain is just ridiculous. Oh, I'm getting stoked. It's pouring. Oh, jeez. Little runoff right here.
Oh, shit.
Definitely hydroplaned and spun it
There
around.
was 3 beluga whales that just came
Beluga whales.
through over here. He was dodging beluga whales.
He spun this baby around. Hydroplaning, man, this is crazy. The water's everywhere. Oh, it's a female.
He banged out the right one.
Yeah.
That was a pit.
Another accident. These roads are just horrendous. It's hydroplaned it, spun it around. There's puddle.
Water in front of us. Look at the puddles in front of us. The whole truck's lifting up.
Woo! Damn.
Who pulled all this stuff?
TikTok is all the way up there.
I'm ready.
All the way up. Got broken brake lines. Salt really tore this truck up.
Kills you fuckers, man. That's why I don't like using.
Well, my original plan was to come over here and start with the return fuel system while Murph worked on the salt truck brake lines, but I don't know if we're going to be able to get the car down with all this stuff, so I think that's going to have to hold off unless we can get this truck out of here and pull this spreader out from underneath and I can lower the car down so I can put the fuel system in. I'm running the fuel system. I think the line's right here. We gotta sneak them up. The hat's already in the tank. The wiring ran pretty much, not hooked up, just ran. You see the red wire hanging right here? That is the power wire. It goes into the controller for the fuel pumps. So, let's see what we can do. Alright guys, we're gonna go over and get some Burger King. Eat some food, starving. Got a lot of stuff going on there. The brake lines are all completely shot. We're going to replace them all. I just thought it was maybe one or two the front brake lines, but it looks like the back ones are bad too. So we're going to replace them all. The fuel system's going to have to wait. We'll try to start that probably sometime real soon, but it's just not going to happen today. Hi. No, can I have some sweet and sour sauce?
Yeah, do you need a cup here?
Please.
Give you right now.
Thank you.
Yeah?
Thank you. Is this sweet and sour sauce there?
Yeah, they got
Thank you. Hello?
Are you bringing me home something?
No, I'm not. I'm trying to feed myself. I'm starving.
Oh, what'd you get?
A whole bunch of junk food.
See how cute Rocky was in Jackson's bed?
Yeah, I did.
He climbed up there all by himself.
You got a great one.
I know, mine's not that good either.
That's because you're turning it on. If I knew I was turning it on all the time, I would turn it myself too. When you turn it on, don't say nothing, trying to...
Think we're gonna have enough line?
A what?
Think we're gonna have enough line? Oh, because you only gotta go to the
I'm
valve.
already done, bro. I'm just about done. I gotta screw that in and go right down and done.
And then the other side.
It's done. You already see it in, don't you?
So today is not going as planned at all. It's already 6:15 and we are still playing with the truck. Finally starting to get a pedal
Oh.
after hours and hours of bleeding.
Huh? Better?
Say hi. So we didn't get anything done as far as
That brake light
TikTok.
go out?
The keys are off. The key's off.
Took the cut out because of the fluid.
Yeah,
My man, because it was just saying it needs service.
we're good. We got a pretty good
That's
pedal.
what mechanics do. That's
I'm
why
out.
I got. No, that's serious.
What?
That 10-speed tranny. that's
The
back
10-speed
here.
R80 over here?
My box body right now.
In Murphy's Law? You talking about this 10R80 right here?
That 10-speed right there. If I put that tranny in my box body right now.
Watch out. Alright, what we gonna do? We're gonna wrap it up? You ready to go?
Good.
That's mine. Finally got the brakes done. Yo, what are we gonna do about this brake fluid? I guess we'll just throw some rags down, sop it up. What a nightmare this was. Really wanted to start on that return fuel system today, but it didn't happen. I got the hat in the tank. I got the main power wire fed ran right here. See this? This runs all the way back inside the car, down inside down into like a door jamb, and not in the door jamb, but underneath the carpet. Runs all the way back. Gonna run the fuel lines on this side, I think. I don't know yet. I'll know a little better once I get a chance to look up in there. Pull down this plate because the factory lines are over here. So I'm gonna pull down this plate. What are you saying?
That wheel well.
The wheel well. Oh yeah.
Replace
Put it on the truck, right, the skirt. There's all her pieces back there. She is in pieces. All right, let's get this skirt in. I'll help you. We'll clean up some of this float and we'll get out of here. Guys, thanks for watching.